Hi everyone again. My name is Samuel. So this is a quick one. I'll just show you how you can add yourself as contributors to the knowledge base, right? So when you go to the GitHub repo, look for this file, list of contributors.mdx. Then you see something like this. This is the template. What you do is you can just copy from copy from the name down to this place, Control C, then you paste it, then you put your name. Let's say your name is John Doe. John Doe. You add your LinkedIn here, add your blog, or if you have a website, add your website. If you don't have a blog or website, you can add your Instagram, anything you want. You can just edit it, like edit it here, Instagram, add the link, add your favorite emoji. And when you're done, like I mentioned earlier in the other video, first you create a branch, you git add, git commit, you push the branch and submit a PR, which remember from clan 2 will review. If it's all good, then we merge. So yeah, that's all on how to add your self as a contributor. Thank you for watching. Also, when you add yourself, this is how it looks like. Yeah, it will show up like this. All right. Have a nice day. Bye.